Joining us today is Premier Restoration Hawaii's president, Blair Suzuki. Oh, the president is in the house. How are you, bro? Welcome to the show.
Good.
Welcome to Island Life Live. Tell us a little bit about Premier Restoration and the company services that you guys offer.
Yeah, Davey, thanks. Premier Restoration is the state's largest local restoration company. We actually started back in Maui as Maui Fire and Flood, and in the 20 plus years that we've been in business, we've grown statewide.
Wow.
So we do 24/7 emergency services. We're on every major island, so our teams can actually hit about 98% of our island residents within 2 hours to help them out. And we're certified and licensed to do fire and smoke remediation, water remediation, mold removal, the bad word, like you said, and then asbestos abatement.
Wow. Now, so you started off in Maui, and of course, the world changed for Maui on August 8th of last year with the wildfires in Lahaina. So have you guys been doing a lot of work to help our families out over there?
Yep, we've been doing a lot of work in Maui. We've been helping residents who have smoke damage in their properties. A lot of people are worried about the health concerns and the toxicity of the ash and debris. So we've been helping them out. Plus, we're in a crazy rainy season right now. So stuff across the state, we're helping a lot of residents out with water leaks, floods, things like that. So the work never stops.
Asking for a friend. So if you see some mold like on the wall, like maybe in the bathroom, is that a sign of something that's like more insidious, or something behind the kanek or the white, the drywall?
Yeah, usually, Davey, when you start seeing problems behind the wall, the cabinet, you name it, there's already a whole colony back there, or a whole host of issues that we want to get in and attack. So like, especially right now when it's really rainy, couple of days after, when you start noticing swelling of baseboards, cabinets, things not looking right, that's when we want people to call us, right? Because we want to get in there as soon as we can, fix it so that everybody can be safe and not have any health issues with mold.
Yeah, I like that. And sometimes a lot of us local people, we get shame. We're like, we just kind of, almost like our health at times, like we don't like address the issue. But again, it's better to be safe than sorry. So if we see any little bit, some swelling, we should call you guys immediately.
Yeah, call us to take a look. We're really good at photo documentation. We help you work with your insurance company. So yeah, they can call us anytime, 24/7. Our number is 808-873-8886. And trust me, I get it. I don't like people coming in my back room either looking around.
You know what I mean?
Got to.
All right, well, come over my house, Lena Girl's house, Mele's house, and just do
I go Mele's house.
Yeah, it's the party house over there. Right on. Mr. President, Blair Suzuki, thank you so much for coming in by. Do you guys have a website, by the way?
Yep, it's www.premhigh.com.
Premhigh.com. All right, mahalo, brother.
All right,
thank you so much for coming in.